Are you tired of being blocked from your favorite websites at school? Want to know the secret to accessing them on your Chromebook? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to show you the latest and greatest ways to bypass those pesky school filters and take back control of your browsing experience. The easiest method is to use a VPN, or virtual private network. It creates a secure connection to a server outside of your school's network, allowing you to access blocked websites as if you were on a different network. Some popular free VPN options include Hotspot Shield and TunnelBear. Another option is to use a proxy server. It acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet, routing your connection through a different server to access blocked websites. Some free options include Kproxy and Hide My Ass. Finally, you can try using Google Translate as a proxy. It's a bit of a hack, but it can be effective. Simply go to Google Translate, set the translation language to any language other than the one you're using, paste in the URL of the blocked website and click Translate. Conclusion: so there you have it, 3 easy ways to unblock websites on your school Chromebook. Remember to always be aware of your school's internet usage policy before attempting to access blocked websites.